What's going on, guys? It's Brandon here from dailyiFix.com. Today I'll be showing you guys how to jailbreak the new 5.0.1 beta firmware. Now, first off, I just want to give a shout out to Brian VidGuy. He is the one that made this whole thing possible by actually giving me the firmware. He put me in his little developer system thing, and it got me to be able to get the new firmware without error. So big shout out to him. His link is in the description. Anyways, let's get on with the video. First off, let me just go ahead and show you that I am on 5.0.1, as you see right there. And now we are going to get to the things that you're going to need and the things that are supported, the devices that are supported. Now, the only thing that is not supported is the iPad 2 and the iPhone 4S. Everything else is supported, so if you have a device besides those two, then you are able to jailbreak on this new firmware. So first off, we're going to need the new Red Snow 0.9.9 Beta 8. And we're going to need the iOS 5.01 beta firmware IPSW file, which again, link in the description. I'll have linked to every single iDevice, the 5.01 beta firmware. I will have a link to that. As you see, it's over here. It's on my downloads page. If we go over here, you can see I have the firmware for every single device for 5.0.1. So, okay, so after we have that, we're going to open up Red Snow 0.9.9 beta 8. And we're going to go to extras. We're going to do select IPSW, and this is where you're going to point it to your IPSW. Mine's actually opened up as a DMG, so I can just have it. I have it right there, so that's easy. Go ahead and hit open. It will say successfully identified. It will identify your IPSW. We're going to go back. We're going to go to jailbreak. It will process the kernel and things like that. And then after that, we're just going to continue in the jailbreak. You're going to have to put in DFU, etc., etc. So make sure you don't do install custom bundle, and basically just keep it at default. Just keep it as it is. That's how to minimize problems. So also, before I start this, if you guys do get issues while doing this whole jailbreak process, make sure to visit the link down below on the site. I do answer all questions on the post on my website. If you leave a comment saying your problem, I will do my best to help you figure it out. It's just that on YouTube, too many comments, too many messages, I can't really read them all. But if you leave comments on this video, though, people will be able to help you as well. They can help you with your issue. So anyway, let's go ahead and get on into this. So we're going to have to put it in DFU mode. So next, make sure device is off. It doesn't really have to be off. You can though. So we're going to hold the home and power once it comes to that. Home and power for 10 seconds. Then we're going to let go of the top power button and keep holding the home, the bottom button. So as you see, we're down to 1 second. So I let go and I'm still holding the home button. Make sure to keep on holding it. There you go. After you see exploring with Limerane, you can go ahead and let go, and your device, everything else will happen on your device. So it's waiting for a reboot, as you see. It will reboot your device. There you go. We got the downloading jailbreak data, and then once it gets to all this code, I will probably just pause the video and come back to you. So as you see, it shows up there a tethered jailbreak, and as you see on my screen, it's running through all that code. Running through all the code. So it reminds you this is new. This is a new little thing for the new Red Snow. So it actually tells you it's tethered. Forgot to mention that earlier, but it should be kind of obvious. You will definitely know if it's an untethered jailbreak. I'll say it right away. So, anyways, it's running through all that code still. But stay tuned, guys. I will have that untethered jailbreak up right when it comes out. The day it's released, I will have it up on this channel. I know everybody's been anticipating, everybody's been waiting on it forever, and I'm with all you guys. I'm waiting on it as well. So that should be in the works. Who knows? It could be a month, it could be 2 months, it could be a year from now. We really don't know. Dev team has given us no ETA yet. So here we go. We're installing the jailbreak data and all that. I will be back, guys, once this finishes. Okay, so it finished. I kind of forgot that it's actually going to be going quicker now because the new Red Snow actually has all the like it usually takes long on that pineapple logo, but now they have it so when you open Cydia it takes long, and it's not long for the actual jailbreak process. So I kind of forgot about that. But anyways, we're back now. We're going to slide to unlock, and we're going to have the white Cydia icon. So I'm going to go ahead and show you how to fix that. I do have a link down in the description if you want a in-depth detail of how to fix this white Cydia icon, but I'm going to show you right here. So we're going to do just boot. We're going to go back to our red snow and just hit just boot. You can go ahead and X out of all this stuff. You don't need it. We're going to go ahead and hit just boot while your device is on. You can turn it off or on, it doesn't matter. We're going to do the same exact thing we did earlier. So we're going to hold the home and power for 10 seconds. And then we're going to let go of the top power button and keep holding the bottom home button. And 2, 1, now. So here we go, we're still holding the home button. We are waiting for it to boot up. So there we go, after you see Exploring with Lime Rain, you can go ahead and let go. The rest will happen on your device. Then after this, I'm going to show you Cydia. Cydia will take a while to load the first time, so I will pause that and come back just to show you that the whole Cydia application actually works. So here's we got a little white screen before this black screen. There you go, it flashed again. Just don't worry if that happens to you, it's completely normal. Okay, so we have it done there, and now we have Cydia back up. I'm going to open Cydia, and here we go, it's preparing file system. So I'm going to go ahead and pause and come back once it is done doing all its stuff in Cydia. Alright, so we are back. It just kind of rebooted. I think it respringed, and now we have Cydia down at the bottom, as you can see right there. We're going to go ahead and click on Cydia. It took about probably 5-6 minutes, I'd say, for me. Also, I noticed that the Cydia icon was white after you did the just boot, but after you click on that and let it do its process, it will come to color. I just noticed that. So we're going to go ahead, you can see, I'm going to go ahead and select hacker and done. And as you see, Cydia loads up completely fine. Let me just go back and show you I am still on 5.0.1. Let's go to settings, general, about 5.01. So thanks for watching, guys. That is how you jailbreak iOS 5.0.1 beta. Thanks for watching, guys. Again, it's Brandon from DailyIFix.com. Catch you guys later. Peace.